If you're getting a new roof with ridge vents, you gotta know whether to keep those box vents or not because it seriously affects how your attic breathes and your roof lasts. So, when you switch to ridge vents, it's all about creating that continuous airflow along the peak of your roof. Box vents are usually scattered and don't give the same kind of steady ventilation. You want air to flow in through the soffit vents under your eaves and out through the ridge vents on top, which makes the whole attic space cooler and reduces moisture buildup. If you keep box vents with ridge vents, it can mess with that airflow pattern and cause problems like trapped heat or moisture pockets. The best move is usually to remove or cover those box vents once ridge vents are installed, so the air moves smoothly from the bottom to the top without any shortcuts. Also, make sure your soffit vents are clear and working well because they are like the engine that pulls fresh air in. If you're not sure, ask your roofing contractor to check the whole ventilation system for balance. Keeping it simple helps your roof last longer and keeps your energy bills down. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roof ventilation is thinking more vents always means better airflow, which is totally wrong. Too many vents, like keeping box vents along with ridge vents, can actually break the natural flow and cause moisture issues. Another common slip-up is ignoring soffit vents. Without those bottom intake vents, ridge vents don't work right and attic heat just builds up. Lastly, some folks install ridge vents but forget to remove old box vents or don't seal them properly, which lets air escape in weird spots and ruins the whole system. To fix all this, get rid of extra box vents when you put in ridge vents, double-check soffit vent openings are clean and open, and have a pro inspect the ventilation setup to make sure everything flows as it should. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about roofs and ventilation. Plus, it helps contractors get more work by putting them in front of people who need reliable home improvement pros.